Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Geek, where I provide you with daily tech tips and helpful guides. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log into your online banking account for OZK Bank. First, go ahead and open up a browser, tap on the search bar, and then type in OZK.com. Tap on Go. Once you land on this page, tap on the option that says Login in the top right corner. Now choose the type of account you have. I'm going to go with the first one for this example. Now you have to type in your user ID here, in your password here, and then tap on Login. Once you tap on Login, you should be successfully signed in to your online banking account for OZK Bank. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides just like this.